We got a 2000 SLK230. We are going to install the radio, but first of all, we're gonna remove the radios. In order to do that, you're gonna need well, this is a professional tool. This is about every Ford, Ford, Mercedes, BM, everything. But you don't really need this. There's a tool you can get it from Advanced. Any auto parts place should have it. You need one of this short piece right here, right there, and you basically gonna go in like this. You see this right there, this hook right there? It's basically gonna hook it, and you gotta pull it this way outward to pull it out. So I'm gonna be showing you. I don't know how hard this one will be. Some of them are a little bit difficult. It might look easy, but it's difficult. So like I said, this one for the forward, like right here, but in our case we just need the short one. We don't need the long one. So basically, put it in. You can feel it. See that click? You heard that click? Second one, you do the same way. You want to make sure it clicks. Sometimes, like I said, yep, it's clicked. So basically, you pull it out like this. Because you can't pull like this, it's gonna move. So you wanna hold it right here and push it and shake it a little bit. It will come. And that's it right there. And then now what you will have to do, you're going to press this in and pull it out. Same as this, press it in, press it in. Some of them are broke off already. Yep, that's broke off already. I don't know how hard it is to get it out. It's in there somehow, but I'm gonna shake and try to get it out anyway. Okay, there we go. And then right there, just push this spot and pull it out. So I'm not sure we're gonna install this. I'm not sure how hard it's gonna be, so we'll find out. Gonna be installing this DMCPA 110W. Here's the radio. It's for single DIN. You can make a double DIN on that if you want to make. They come with it. It's right here, this metal right there. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do a single DIN. So take a flathead, pop it off, other side off, and pull it straight out like that. For the pink wire, you need to hook it up to the ground. So I taped the purple, black, green, black, and blue, and I'm leaving this open just in case the blue and white wire is needed. And then same as right here, I want to tape it. Now I'm going to see if it works. As you can see, we're going to be plugging this plug in right here, right there. And then we're gonna put the bracket and everything in. I'm gonna maybe put the microphone right there. Being in a convertible, I'm not sure if I should do that, but if I do that, it might not look that good. But if I put it out here, let me see if I can sneak it in here. Maybe like this, but it kind of doesn't look that good. Oh, I could have put it right there, but I'm gonna just put it right there. Probably better. I mean, literally you can move it anytime you want, but I mean, it's, you know, it's better for him to be able to talk right here and they can hear you. So you're gonna hide it in here by coming all the way up to where the lip is at, right there, the end corner. Put it down here, and right here we're gonna come up like this. You notice, I mean, I can peel this out, but I didn't want to, because sometimes using on an older car like this, it's got too much work. You know, I mean, you can break stuff, so I'm trying to twist it. What you can see right there, that's what I'm doing. And coming down right here with my hand, finger, thumb. You can pull this out, maybe it's easier. Let me try that. Take a flathead, and I'm gonna take a flathead and twist it straight, usually, and another one straight, maybe not straight, but So I ran the wire all the way up there, corner up here, up through here, and then up there. All the way up, as you can see right here. This is the mic. Now I'm waiting for the GPS. GPS you literally can put on inside here, it's fine, or you can run it from there like we do, and run it underneath there and come up here. Be pushing it through like that, and then I'm gonna put my hand and grab it this way. Now at this point I got all the wiring coming out right there. I'm gonna pull the wire, and then I'm gonna use a flathead, and I'm gonna twist it. See that? You can see I twist it, and I twist another one right here, and then up there same thing. Wherever you can twist it, you can literally twist this big one. It worked too. If it don't work, go to here right there, so it will hold the radio. You make sure you got enough to hold the radio, because if not, see that? You don't want it to pull too much, so you want to make sure it's good and tight. I forgot to hook up the USB Apple CarPlay, so you want to do before this metal. So what we're gonna do, he's gonna pry that out a little bit, and I'm gonna sneak my hand. Hopefully I don't get cut because of this, but I'll do my best trying to reach him, and hopefully he can grab it to easy. Don't break that. Got one. Hold on. Easy, easy. Be careful. See what I'm trying to tell him to be easy, just in case we'll break that. That's not cheap. 2,000, it definitely break easy. So yeah, we got that. We're gonna pull that out. We're gonna put the radio back in, but first of all, before that, we're gonna hook up the mic. So I'm gonna hook up the GPS. It's a bit tight right there. Sometimes you have to get in the right thread. So you can tighten that. Make sure it is tight. And then you got the Bluetooth. You're gonna hook it up to right here, microphone. Plug it in, and then you plug the main power in, like so. Now I do this video because I try to search for nobody. And then this antenna right here, I'm gonna plug it in here. And then you're gonna pull this wire down here a bit out, some here, like that. And then try to shove it. Make sure this is on the top, and push it in easy. Make sure you're not hitting anything, but kind of like that. And then we're gonna take the radio and test it before everything. Take the radio and push it in. Now to remove it, you had to push both of this and the other end right there in. That way it will work. And then now I'm gonna snap it in. Now it should play, but if it doesn't play, you guys gonna have to join the membership. Membership's only about $2, guys. You can help me out with that $2. So you help me, I help you. So as you can see, we got sound. So we are good in sound. So I'm gonna plug it in, push it all in, so it snap it in. And then we're gonna adjust everything right there, and then we're gonna go back screen right there. It's got a lot of different menu right there that you can see, and the customer can peel this out themselves right here. And Apple CarPlay, Android Apple CarPlay. This radio is about $200 at Walmart, guys. You can grab one from there, or you can grab one from Amazon. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you whoever gonna join in our membership to get your sound to work.